welcome to a brand new vlog, and I'm actually about to film video. And you can see my setup. Actually, that's my light. I only use one light, and that's the chair where I sit and talk. So today I'm actually filming beauty slash skincare haul, and then later I'm gonna film another video which would be empties, like what I've used so far. And I really love watching those sort of videos, so this would be my first empties video. So I'm really excited to film that video and talk about like what products I have been using, whether I'll buy it or not. So I'll still be editing this 2 videos when this vlog goes up. So please subscribe my channel, and you guys will know like when it will be up. Also, if you are on Instagram, then please come over to my Instagram. It's Fashion Beauty Blog. I would really appreciate if you guys can follow me there and get like updates when I upload my videos. And I've curled my hair. I'm really loving like curls these days. What do you guys think? It is like a bit messy curls, which I really like. It is very bouncy one. This one is sort of a little bit different than the ones you have actually seen on my previous videos, like sit down videos. So anyway, I'm still in my home clothes. Oh, I'm so sorry, the lighting has changed a little bit because it's quite sunny now. As I was saying, I'm still in my home clothes, and I'm actually wearing this very comfortable, you can see this kind of like a hoodie, and I need to change my top, and then I'm ready to film my video. So I'll update you guys later and vlog throughout the week as always. And thank you so much to new subscriber for subscribing my channel. I'm really pleased that you guys have subscribed, and I hope you enjoyed this video and my content. So welcome to Fashion Beauty Blog family.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
मम्मीसँग पापासँग
तीन निकाल्नुहोस् तपाईँको लागि Come on, today. Well done.
लु हिँड्नुहोस्
ल हिँड्नुहोस् अगाडि हिँड्नुहोस् त्यो पर्दैन
के हो त्यो साबुन हो त्यो हिँड्नुहोस्
हिँड्नुहोस् गो वेल डन
कुन लाउने
बसी होममा छ
एकदम धेरै छ
पेन्टिङ प्याड पनि चाहिन्छ तपाईँको लागि यस त्यो होइन
यस्तो यस्तो प्रिन्टिङ प्याड के यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् त कलरिङ बुक हो नि त होइन
के हो यो
त्यो होइन यहाँ हेर्नुहोस् त यस्तो यस्तो कलरिङ
के हो यो
त्यो उयो हो न यो बोक्नुहोस्
त्यो पनि लाउनुहोस्
है अनि अर्को खै कहाँ छ अझै लाउनु
Hey guys, I'm going to do some unboxing and this was actually sent to me by a London-based brand, Hempnath. Basically, they are like sustainable brands, so they got in touch with me and they asked me whether I would like to have their products. And as you guys know, like I am trying to move towards like sustainable fashion, which I've actually talked on my recent video as well. So anyway, this will be like my first impression as well, so I'll let you know my honest opinion on it. I'm really excited. I'm really happy like they got in touch with me. Their like core values and my values kind of like aligned together, hence the reason why I was more than happy to collaborate with them. And oh my god, as soon as I open this, I can smell lavender because there is, you can see like a dried lavender. I absolutely love the smell of lavender. So anyway, they've got this letter here in Nepali paper. As you can see, which just says, Dear Fashion Beauty Bug, we have been following your journey on Instagram and YouTube for a while now, and we admire your simple minimalistic approach to fashion plus lifestyle and your genuinity that comes with it. It is our utmost pleasure to be collaborating with you. We hope our bags will accompany you through all walks of your life. Lots of love, Hempnath. So let me put this aside and I'm going to open this now. This is so exciting. I'm trying to take this out. Yeah, it's out now. Trying to remove this like a rope thread here. And here we go. Almost there now. So these are the two items I actually went for because I feel like I'll get a lot of wear out of it. This one is a waist bag and this one is obviously made out of like 100% cotton. The cotton they use is the hemp cotton, so I think that's the reason why the brand name is Hempnath. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it is made in Nepal. I really love like made in Nepal products, and it's really lovely to support like smaller brands. So this is the color I went for. They have got this in different color and I really like it. I love the feel of it. It just feels so like natural, so lovely. I don't know, I just really like the quality. I was honestly not expecting the quality to be like this good, but I'm really pleased. Like it is such a good quality. And another one I went for is this one because I really like this kind of bag, and these days, you know, I've been trying not to use a lot of plastic bags, hence the reason why I went for this kind of like bag. It is in like a nude kind of like a beige natural color, I think I can say. So it is one of my favorite colors, and this is like a good size. This is the medium size, and I think this is a really good size. I really love carrying this sort of bags when I go out for shopping. It's easy to buy stuff and put this in, and it is quite deep actually, and I really like that. Oh god, I'm really loving this items. Thank you so much. There is only 2 items, but I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of wear out of them. I can't really wait to incorporate this 2 bags into my wardrobe. I'm really grateful like you guys got in touch with me. A lot of Nepali brands are getting in touch with me these days, but I only work with those brands whose value aligns with me. If I can't see myself like not wearing their products, I don't work with them. But yeah, thank you for this opportunity, Hempnath, and I really love the products. I'm not just saying in front of camera. I had already said to them before I did collab, I'm gonna give my honest opinion. If I don't like it, then I'll say it on camera, but I really love it. Definitely check their Instagram, which I'll link down below on the description box as usual. So thank you so much. I really love it. Hello, Leo. के पनि हैन त्यहाँदेखि झर्न मिल्छ
हेल्प गर्नु मलाई
हेल्प गर्नु पक्रिनुहोस् है
एकछिन म सपिङ जाने थिएन
एकछिनमा सपिङ जाने अलराइट सपिङ परोस् नि हेलो निया Hey everyone, we are coming to end of this vlog. So I just thought I'll sit down and chat with you guys. I really love talking to you on my vlogs because it's not like formal. I really love talking about how my week was. Basically this week was great. I went out with Nav after a long time without kids free finally, and actually we went to this concert, Voice of Nepal. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Oh my god, it was really good. We had a really good time. Basically I had a good time with my friends. I was actually on the floor like standing, singing, dancing most of the time, but Nav was like busy catching up with his friends. So it was really lovely to go out after a long time. I think it has been more than a year that we have actually not gone out without kids. So yeah, my mom was like really kind to send us to the concert. She was actually supposed to go with Nav, Nia, but unfortunately she didn't want to go at the end. She was like, you can go with Nav, I'll look after kids. So hence the reason why I went, and we had a really lovely time. It was really good. Another thing, like this virus is actually on news, and I feel like it is getting to me now. I was like very calm. Even this week I was calm. I'm just doing like everything normal, trying to make our life normal, to be honest. And now it is classed as pandemic, which is quite scary as well. I know there are a lot of people dying, unfortunately. I feel awful about that, and I want to talk about it on my next vlog. And yeah, I'll talk about it actually on my next vlog rather than talking on here. This week has been good. Another thing I've got to show you guys is some stuff that I have been sent from Nepal. Obviously if you are on my Instagram, then you guys have seen this stuff. But anyway, let me show you this one. Oh my god, I absolutely love this one. You can see how happy I am when I talk about this product. Basically they got in touch with me after seeing a collaboration video with Kushbu. The brand is Mukhu. So they asked me whether I would like to have this outfit for Misha in last size. So they were very kind enough to send this to me, and it is this one here, which is a Dhaka top. I think you say Nepali daura, obviously. So I really like the fact that it has got this red lining here, and then also red lining here on the sleeve, which is such a cute detail. I'm a big fan of like a Dhaka fabric, because I feel like this is one of the best fabric. It just keeps you cool during summer, and during winter it keeps you warmer. So this is like a perfect fabric. And this one is quite sustainable, I would say. They're locally made as well, and you can see the brand name here. So it just says Mukhu here. This one is made 100% premium cotton. They also got Instagram, Facebook. I'll link their Instagram down below in description box if you guys want to check out. The quality is spot on, and they also sent this is actually a set. So this hat, which is so cute, and Misha actually already wore this outfit, and you have already seen Misha's picture on Instagram. So I posted a couple of pictures of Misha wearing this outfit, and she absolutely loved it. Actually, sometimes when you put clothes on babies, they don't like it, but she was like really comfortable wearing this. She was smiling when I was taking her picture. Basically she loved this outfit. So next one is this kind of like a little t-shirt kind of it's called bhoto in Nepali, bhoto. So it is kind of like a little inner wear for her to wear. It comes with ties here. So this is what it looks like. Again, same like fabric. It is in floral print, which is really lovely. And next one obviously is the last piece from this set, and it is this here trousers, and it has got like stretchy one. This is a little bit longer on Misha, but the thing is, like, they wanted Misha to wear this for a long period of time. Like, she will get a lot of wear out of it, and I was more than happy to have like larger size rather than a smaller, because you know how fast babies grow. They just grow so fast. I can't believe like Misha is already 8 months old. I feel like I just blinked my eye and she just became 8 months old. So yeah, with second child I feel like, you know, it is much more easier, and also they just grow up so fast. You don't realize like how fast they are growing. I mean, there are times it can get a little bit frustrating, but you know what you are doing as a mother. And guess what, they actually surprised me. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I can't wait to show you you know what they have sent me. Basically I am one of those people who actually love surprises, and whenever people surprise me, I'm so like thankful. Obviously good surprises, not the bad one. So yeah, they actually surprised me. We had only talked about this set of outfit, but they actually sent me a little something which is so nice. Honestly, I didn't expect them to send this, and also I actually didn't know like they have Instagram, and I didn't expect them to get in touch with me. They are such a lovely people. I'm not just saying because I'm just in front of camera. Honestly, they were like so kind and really friendly when they got in touch with me. You know, when you don't know people and then they message you, you can feel kind of like that aura, like you can tell what sort of person they are even by the text, like the way they write. So I'm one of those people, I can actually feel what sort of people they are. So I don't know, it's gonna sound so weird, but anyway, I'm blabbering too much, so let me show you this item they sent me. It is this one here, which is a shawl in Nepali like fabric. It has got fish print, which is so lovely, and it has got like red and kind of like a brown black sort of fish print all over it. And I'm gonna wear this very soon in May with my traditional outfit, like a Rai outfit, and I can wear it like this. So I can put like my traditional brooch here. So this is how I'm gonna wear. This is so lovely. I'm so happy, and it's very long as well. So let me show you. So this is what it looks like, and it is quite a long shawl, but anyway, I don't want to show you like everything because it's not gonna fit on this camera anyway. So yeah, that is what they have sent me. Thank you so much to Mukku. I really appreciate what you guys have sent to me. This is such a lovely surprise, and yeah, I know I've already thanked them, but seriously I can't thank them enough. And thank you so much to all the like Nepali brands who are collaborating at the moment. And I do work with brands whose values align with me, like I said on this video as well before. So yeah, anyway, I've been getting like few Western collaboration as well, but I've not collaborated with those brands because my values and their values don't align with each other. I don't work with brands just for the sake of getting like free clothing or free item. I actually like to check their values, etc., where the stuff comes from, how it is made, etc. So I'm kind of like really into that sort of thing. I really like to research and know what their brand is all about, what material they use, etc. So yeah, that is what I do. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope to see you guys on my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.